Processing payment through Interac. Once the customer has the product in the cart, here is an example of a fake product they can proceed to check out. After that, they can select billing and shipping information. In this case, it's the same. Also, they must select shipping method. For this, we'll use pickup. And in payment information, this is where they'll have the option to pay by Interac online. As it says, the customer will be redirected to the Interac payment gateway when they place an order, which means they will be linked to their bank website. Click on Continue to review the order. The customer will see and review the order. In this case, it's for 1 cent only. Then they have to place the order. Once the customer has placed the order, the system is going to send them to Interac Gateway where they can choose their financial institution. Interac Online only supports 4 banks right now, which are the 4 major banks in Canada: Scotiabank, Royal Bank, BMO, and TD Canada Trust. In the list below, the customer can select other credit unions they support based on the province. Credit unions are like smaller banks. For this example, we will select RBC. After that, the system will take the customer to its bank website to log in. As we have already logged in previously, it won't ask again for our credentials. In here, the system will ask the customer to select an account to process the payment that APD Printing is going to receive for this order number and the amount. Click on Continue. You may also cancel at any time. In the next screen, the system will ask the customer to verify and confirm order details again to submit the payment. Click on Confirm. After that, it will say Interac Online signed out and the payment is being sent to APD Printing and bring the customer back to our website where it says thank you for your purchase and the order number. Also, it will show the option to upload files. Below, the customer will see a message saying that Interac payment was completed and the transaction ID, currency, and the financial institution from which the payment was processed. Let's go to our back end in Magento and search for the orders. This will show us something important. If at any point during the payment the customer cancels the transaction, the order will show up as pending payment. Because the transaction for this example was successful, it says processing. This is very important to verify because if the customer never sent the payment, the order will still be created, but there will be a pending payment. Basically, the order was canceled. It still is shown in the system, but it's not valid. So the customer must place the order again and use a different payment method.